Do you have any siblings? آیا ستا سرور خور شته؟ Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one sister and one brother. ها زما یو خور او یو رور دی. Yes, I have one sister and one brother. Do you like to watch sports? آیا ته لوبې کتل خوښې؟ Do you like to watch sports? Yes, I love to watch sports. ها زه لوبې کتل خوښوم. Especially basketball and football. په خاصه توګه باسکټبال او فوټبال. Yes, I love to watch sports, especially basketball and football. What's your favorite color? ستا خوښ رنګ کوم یو دی؟ What's your favorite color? Blue is my favorite color. ابي رنګ زما خوښ رنګ دی. Blue is my favorite color. Are you married? آیا ته شادي شده یې؟ Are you married? No, I am not married. نه زه شادي شده نه یم. No, I am not married. Do you have any children? آیا ته څه بچي مچي لرې؟ Do you have any children? Yes, I have 2 children. ها زما 2 بچي دي. A boy یو هلک دی and a girl او یوه جینۍ ده. What's your favorite food? ستا خوښ خوراک کوم یو دی؟ What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. زما خوښ خوراک بریانی ده. My favorite food is biryani. What's your favorite movie? ستا خوښ فلم کوم یو دی؟ What's your favorite movie? I don't like movie. زه فلم نه خوښوم. I don't like movie. Do you have any pets? آیا ستا سره څه د کور ساتنې ځناور شته؟ Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. ها زما سره یو سپی شته چې نوم یې ماکس دی. Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.